morning, everyone. What do you do when you have lemons? You make lemonade. So today I got these lemons from a lemon tree nearby. So since no one loves lemons in this house, I decided to make a lemonade. Simple recipe. All I need is, yes, of course, the lemons, the sugar, and the need to juice it. So the steps here, what I'm going to do is make a syrup using the sugar and water. Simple. So first things first, cut the lemons into half and then juice it. Whoa, this is so juicy. It has a lot of water, a lot of juice in it. Lemon juice. I have how many lemons? 6 lemons is enough. Actually, this is good for you. Good for your stomach, good for your system. When it goes to your body, it turns into alkaline. And you know, obviously by now, that your body pH needs to be alkaline. Most of the foods that we have right now in the market are very acidic, and it attracts diseases in our bodies. So we try to take some lemon sometime, and this actually balances the pH in the body and makes our cells work well. So this is a very easy process, just squeezing the lemon. Oh, these are very juicy lemons. Never come across so many like this. On to our 5th lemon. Ooh, that one just fell on the floor. It's okay, I'm gonna clean up later. Very simple recipe, anyone can do it at home. But this is very good. It's a very good drink for summer. But since I just love lemons, to me it doesn't matter the season. I'll take lemons anytime. Any time of the season, any time of the year. I love my lemons. Lemonade. Or sometimes I can just slice this lemon and put it in water and drink it just like that. It's very healthy. Cleans up your system. We call it gastrointestinal system. From your mouth to your stomach, all the way. Very healthy. kills all the viruses, bacteria in your body. You have to look it up in the internet to know these things, but it's very practical. So that is my juice. Now the next step is to make the syrup. So I'll just add water in the pot. Oh, there's the camera. Yeah, my pot here, and maybe 3 tablespoons of sugar, not too much because I don't like sugar, not good. This is just to sweeten my my lemonade. Simple. So the water, this is like 1 cup of water and 2 tablespoons of sugar. I don't take so much sugar. I like just a little bit of it. It's like just sugar for tasting. Yeah, I don't like sugar at all, especially refined sugar. I prefer eating fruits. That's where I get my fructose. But for the sake of today's recipe, I'm going to make a syrup. So basically what I'm doing now is, just boiling this. It is like half a cup of water, and I just want to turn the heat up. Yeah, boil it, make a syrup, and then add it on to the lemon juice. And there you'll have your lemonade. It's a very simple recipe, anyone can do it. So if you are at home, you have lemons, and maybe no one in the family wants to have the lemons, you can make a lemonade. Yes, there's a saying that goes, if you have many lemons, you can make a lemonade. Lemonade is much sweeter than lemons. So I'll add more heat to make it boil faster, because this should not take like 2 minutes. So this is like 2 tablespoons of sugar. And my lemon juice is red. There are 5 lemons squeezed. You can also have it like that, especially if you put it in the fridge or in the fridge, and when it's a bit cooler, tastes much better. So my water is boiling, so I'll add here the sugar. Oops. Then start stirring immediately. With lightly. For you to see what I'm doing properly. I just let it boil for like 5 minutes until the water is clear. 5 minutes or 4 minutes even. I can reduce the heat now. But for you who is watching, you can add more sugar if you like. To make a real syrup. As for me, I just like sugar to taste. That's all. So after this, I'll just let the syrup to cool. down, and then I add it onto the juice. After that, put it in the fridge. I can take it anytime when I feel like. So that is the end of my recipe. So this one I'm going to reduce the heat, set my syrup aside and let it cool. So this is the final product. I have added the syrup inside in the lemon juice, and this is the pulp. I just strained it out, and this is it. That is my lemonade for the day. So if you like it, you can do the same as what I did and enjoy your lemonade, because life is full of lemons. See you in another video. Bye bye.